Billy once again finds him in a sticky situation. He is, well, he was stranded, but he made a plan. He got a boat. He's escaping from the island, but his friend, Wilson the volleyball, has fallen overboard. I know, it's a shocker, really. But luckily for Billy, or was it Timmy? I forget, knows how far Wilson is away and how far away he is from the island. But what he doesn't know is the angle of that. Yeah, the angle. Yeah. So I'm gonna write SOHCAHTOA again. SOHCAHTOA. And, well, we're gonna focus on this angle because it's the one we need to find. And so the first thing we're gonna do is, that's adjacent, hypotenuse. So we're gonna use the cosine, cos, and then theta, because a theta is like an unknown angle. Cos equals, and then we look at our SOHCAHTOA and we see cosine and then adjacent hypotenuse, or AH. So we know that 20 meters is going to be over 30 meters. And then we solve. But in order to get the theta alone, or the x, we have to do, hi Jacob, theta, and then equals cosine to the -1, because we're moving it, we're doing the inverse. So we have 20 over 30 cosine -1, and then we pull up our good old calculator. We do 20 over 30. We get that, and then we go trigonometry, second, cosine -1. We get 48.18, which I'll round to 48.2. So theta equals 48.2. And then we have the unknown angle. It's simple as that, folks. Tried to be original, but then it just kind of turned out like the plot to Castaway, and I didn't really know how to explain how he knew these two distances, but he didn't know how far away he was from the island. Hope you enjoyed watching my math. Yeah, thank you.